Hi guys, Riders of Bridgwater here with a Harley-Davidson FLS Slim. It's a 2017 model. One owner. It's in perfect as new condition. Beautiful in this olive green colour, I think. It's basically a fat boy with some very slight changes. Skinnier rear wheel, chopped front fender. So we'll just start it up so we can hear what it sounds like. Okay, thanks for watching. For more information, if you click on the link below, it'll take you to our website and you'll find more pictures of the bike. Thank you.